How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can open PDF format map in QGIS. So in order to open up the PDF file, the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through the QGIS, click on layer, and then navigate through add layer. Now, in order to do this, we have to select the add raster layer. Basically, this is what's supported for the PDF file. So you can just click on these three dots, look for your PDF map supported for QGIS. Now, as you can see, we have something like all files. And in here, you could basically go ahead and select the PDF format. Now, it's going to be right here that there's a lot of file formats, but just select the PDF and then basically there you have it. Click on the open button, click on add, and then it will be imported as a new layer. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.